What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Among Us imposter from Friday Night Funkin'. Let's begin along the top left side of our page with the visor. We start on the left side, we draw a curve that goes up, and we'll just bend that over towards the right side. Now let's round out the side of the visor. Starting from the bottom, curve this down and then in, go up to the top, and curve in the opposite direction. Now let's close off the bottom. Starting from here, curve across, and just pull that back up towards the top. Let's add a shadow across the bottom of the visor. Starting from this side, go across, and then just bend that up towards the right. Now the top of the head's going to be bent over towards the left. So let's start from the top, bend the mouth going out and then down, and then we'll add a fold with a small bracket. Let's curve the mouth, coming down and across towards the bottom corner on the left. Let's work our way over towards the right side. Start from the corner of the mouth, curve the mouth coming down, and then back up. And then we'll round out the side of the body, coming down and in to create a fold. Step back up, come straight down, and then bend that in towards the bottom of the foot. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the back side of the head. Start from the top of the visor, curve the head going out, just round this out, and just pull that in, aiming towards the corner of the mouth. And then we'll add a fold, stepping back, curve down and in. From the bottom of that fold, we're going to step back, curve the back coming out, and then down towards the same height. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, starting back over on the left, come down and up, and leave a gap in between the feet and draw the same thing on the right. From the inside edge of the left foot, draw a straight line going up towards the body. Curve the body going out and then up. Go to the inside of the right foot and draw a straight line going up underneath the body. Now I'm going to go back up and draw on the tongue. Starting from here, curve the tongue going up, and then bending that out, and we'll taper that back in towards the bottom of the mouth. Let's add the top row of teeth. Starting from here, curve this down towards the tip, taper that back up towards the mouth. Now I'm going to leave a small gap and draw a slightly smaller tooth. Then again, leaving another gap, draw that one more time. Let's draw the bottom row of teeth. Starting from the right side, curve up and in, taper that back down. And again, leaving a small gap, draw a smaller tooth coming in and down. And do that one more time. Let's add the backpack over on the left side. Starting underneath the head, start with a straight angled line. Curve this down and in to create a fold. Step back, curve out and then down. Curve down and in towards the side of the leg. Let's draw a large hand holding the knife on the left side. We're going to start out here, start with a straight line going across. Now on the left side, curve the thumb, coming in, and bending that back out. Round out the tip of the thumb, and then come back down. Let's go to the inside of the thumb, draw the knife coming in with a straight line. Curve this up, and then bend that out. And draw a straight line coming all the way down in behind the thumb. Now let's draw in the handle. Starting from this line, draw a straight line coming down on top of the hand, and I'll wrap the fingers around. From the bottom, step up, go out, round out the finger, and then bend that in. Let's add two more fingers. Stepping down, curve in, and then out, step in, draw the last finger coming around, and then up towards the wrist. Let's connect the base of the thumb to the wrist with a curve, going out, and then in. Let's go over towards the right side and draw the hand holding the mic. We start by drawing in a large circle, starting from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and pull it back up towards the top. And then from the bottom of the mic, draw two straight lines coming down, connect the bottom with a curve. Now I'm going to wrap 3 fingers around the mic, starting from the bottom left corner, curve in and then out. Draw a straight line coming across. Let's do that 2 more times. Curving the knuckle, draw a straight line going out, and then 1 more time. I'm just going to round out the bottom finger and then go up on the outside. Let's add in the knuckles. Round out the bottom, coming in, add another curve in the center, and then pull that back up towards the mic. Now the handle is going to come down underneath the hand. Leaving a gap in the center, draw 2 straight angled lines coming down and in. Connect the bottom with a curve. Let's draw the thumb tucked in along the inside. Starting from the side of the mic, curve the thumb coming in and out. Draw another curve going out, and pull that across in behind the finger. Let's add those lines inside the mic. Starting from the very top center, draw a straight line coming down, go back up to the top, move over towards the left, bend out, and then in, step out, and draw that 1 more time. And do the same thing on the right side in the opposite direction. Curving out, and back in, and 1 last time. And we'll add those curves going across from left to right. Starting from the middle on the left, curve this up and down. And add 1 more along the top and bottom. Up and down. 1 more time across the bottom. And that's pretty much it. There's our Among Us imposter from Friday Night Funkin'. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.